Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this eufy SoloCam S220. Reason number 1 is it's got a solar panel on the top. So there is a built-in battery and you are going to charge it up the first time. It could take 5 hours to charge it up, but once you install it on the outside of your house, outside where this can get good solar energy, like the sun can hit it at least 2 hours of the day, it's going to keep that battery fully charged all the time under normal usage. Now there's no monthly fee because it does have onboard storage. You got 8 gigabytes of flash RAM inside there. But I have mine connected to my home base, which has a whole lot more storage in it because it's got a hard drive in it. Second thing is it's completely wireless. So once you charge it up the first time, there's no power wire and there's no connection wire. This is a wireless cam. Now it doesn't record 24/7. But if it senses any kind of motion in front of it, it is going to start the recording. And if you have another eufy camera that senses motion, you can have this one start recording even though it's not sensing that same motion. It's just really nice. I mount it on the wall. It's very simple. This just screws right on there. Mount this, then you can rotate it any which way you'd want, and then tighten this down. So very easy to install. Very easy to install. Solar panel is going to keep it nice and charged up. It's got motion sense. It's got a really clear 2K display, which I can zoom in and really see close on. 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.